This is a 1953 Mercury Monterey. It's got a 302 HO V8 engine, automatic overdrive transmission, 8.8-inch rear axle, 355 posi. Done by custom updated frame and chassis, tubular crossover suspension, rack and pinion, 4-link rear. And there's the 302 engine in it. Got power steering, power brakes. Got the big bolts on the bumper. Got the sunken headlights. That's completely stock on the outside. Got the original full wheel covers on it with a Mercury emblem, head emblem on it. That's a Monterey, top of the line that year. And this was kind of a popular color for the Tudor hardtops, red and black. It's got the original red and black interior. Only difference is it's got a tilt steering in it, an aftermarket steering wheel. I got the little chrome bars on the rear fender skirts. Come around the back. Got the blue dot tail lights. Continental kit. Spare tire. I got the rear mounted antenna. Dual exhaust. Look around this side. Spare wheel. It's upgraded to disc brakes. Just did a beautiful all-around car, original looking, but updated with modern running gear. And it was at the World of Wheels in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and we'll be over and out. And take care now. Bye for now.